Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving. It's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing Thanksgiving a little bit differently. I am in my apartment by myself, and yeah, I wanted to record this video for everybody else who is also celebrating alone today. It's a lot different than usual. Personally, I chose to do this. My family isn't celebrating today because my younger sister got sick and we just decided to be safe, not sorry, so we called it off. But I did get invited to friends, to my other sister's house, my other sister's boyfriend's house, and I just decided to chill, do it by myself. Obviously, I'm not gonna make a turkey because I don't even know how to cook. But I wanted to cook dinner with you guys regardless today and chit chat with you about how to feel more festive even if you're not celebrating with loved ones. So the first thing I did was I got dressed up in my Thanksgiving outfit that I would have worn to my family's. Peep the outfit. This is what I would have worn. It is just a brown dress, slit right here, hair down. Probably would have had to put it up because my mom makes me cook or make the salad because she knows I can't cook, so she helps me out with that. And I would have worn this, so definitely dress up if you're celebrating by yourself and put on your Thanksgiving outfit. I have some high heels on, you know how it is. And yeah, this is what I'm going to cook in. So that's my tip number one, you guys. Dress up in your Thanksgiving outfit, get pretty, feel pretty, and do some of your favorite things today. So what did I do today before we get into cooking? I read a full book, I played my piano, researched marketing, you know, studied, cleaned my entire apartment, had some sushi, did some juicing, yeah, all kinds of stuff. So just have a fun day. If your fun day is not anything like mine, you could binge watch your favorite TV show, call all your friends. I texted so many people, happy Thanksgiving today. So just try to be more interactive and make yourself feel as normal as possible because it's really doesn't feel that normal, right? All right, I'm gonna put my hair up and we're gonna get into this cooking. So we are gonna be having turkey today, by the way, you guys, but I'm not gonna be having normal, full-on big bird turkey. Instead, I'm gonna be making some turkey burgers. So these are turkey patties. They're super healthy for you. If you guys are on that healthy vibe, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you, alarm system. Just put a little bit of oil on the pan so that you don't burn the burger, right? Or it doesn't stick to the pan. You want to put some oil down for sure. Damn it. So these are not pre-seasoned. I thought these were seasoned, so we have to season these things. I think salt, basil, rosemary. Hey Siri, what do you put on a burger for seasoning? Salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic powder, onion powder. I don't have any cayenne pepper. All right, see, we got that stuff. We can do those. So I'll season this. Oh shit, this is steaming. Okay, this is why you need your family for Thanksgiving, because damn. Oh. Okay, season these bad boys. That was onion. This is garlic. And this is salt. Okay, cool. Just take one. Whew. That was so scary. Just gonna cover those and let them slow cook after I figure out how long they cook for. It's gonna be $17 minutes. Timer's on. Now, we're gonna cut up the condiments and make the buns because that's the best part of this whole process. Definitely wash your tomato, you guys. This tomato smells so good, but honestly, wash your tomato, okay? Then I'm gonna cut the head off of it. Okay, boom, 2 slices. Oh, geez. It's kind of weird not having like a whole bunch of like family around you for Thanksgiving. Probably because that's like, I don't know, a tradition that my family always does. I love onion, so like literally, don't be shocked if you see like me cut like 2 full pieces for myself. Because honestly, it's so good, especially red onion. Oh my god. Okay, I think something's going on over here. Gonna flip these bad boys over. And let them just cook more. This is, okay. So I want to make like In-N-Out, except turkey style. So I got Thousand Island dressing for the patty, for the buns. The only sad part about this whole Thanksgiving dinner is the avocado is not ripe. I had Instacart do my grocery shopping. I don't know why they brought me this not ripe avocado. It's like hard, like a softball. I'm like, don't you think I want to eat this thing? Now I have to wait a month for it to ripen. It's not good. Not good at all. Like my cooking skills. Oh, where's the timer? Okay, we have 12 more minutes on this right here. Because I think I need 12 minutes to open up this lettuce. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. What is the deal, dude? Why do they do this to me? Ha. Figured it out. Lettuce done. Put your lettuce back. Do you guys like my Ben Franklin rug? I decided I need to step on a $100 bill every day just to remind myself how rich I am, you know? So I got this rug off Amazon. Oh my god, I feel like they're swollen. I think I did something wrong. They're all puffy. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the top off. Maybe that will help them go back to normal. And we're gonna cut them to see how it looks inside. Oh, jeez. Boom. Done. Okay, now we're gonna build our burger. So like the buns are so perfect. I just have to show you this. How perfect this bun is. It's like perfect. Put the Thousand Island on that thing. This is like one of the 5 recipes I know how to make. It's not even a recipe, honestly. You just make a turkey burger. Lettuce on first, just because it can kind of like hold all the other things. So lettuce first, then the tomato, then the onion. Boom, just like that. I don't use cheese, but you can use cheese on your burger. That's fine. This is it, you guys. Look how cute this is. It's like a little Krabby Patty. And it's perfect. And it's turkey, because it's Thanksgiving. You're welcome. You're welcome. So that is my secret turkey burger recipe, except we usually use avocado, like I said. Use avocado, it's gonna be that much better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's kind of silly and quirky. This is what I'm doing this Thanksgiving, so I thought I would share with you just in case you're home alone and you're not really celebrating with family. We know my neighbors are home because we can all hear them. Shut the fuck up. Anyways, guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Smile today, have a good Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.